Hi, my name is Lameez. I attended the very first personal development workshop when it was launched. Not really sure what to expect, but I must say when I left there, I left with such clarity on the way forward. I wasn't really even sure that I didn't have clarity, but then we went through our own personal values and our own personal dreams and goals. And then as they were set out and laid before me and evaluated on what's most important to me, what I can actually spend time on, I have to say I left there feeling refreshed because of the clarity that I gained from the session. And I also have to say that it was quite beneficial to have attended the event in person versus attending it online, because you can definitely sense there's a gauging of the audience who are there in person, which is lacking on the online sessions that I've attended with other coaches before. So yeah, if you're thinking about it and you want to just give it a try, I definitely would recommend it just to see what it's all about. And I think you'll actually return because there's some value that you get out of the sessions. I can testify I definitely got some value out of it. Thank you so much. I hope to see you there. Bye.